So let me start with the back. Okay, so this is there. What I will do first is I will just fold this a little bit, okay, and then place it exactly on the center back, okay, and pin it. Take a pin, and you need to leave a certain amount of fabric so that this is your seam allowance. So leave at least an inch above, okay, then neatly fold it, and this is your choli length, okay. So you would have marked here, no, choli length, how much, 14 inches or so. So you would have marked here. So this is my length of the choli, this much approximately. You want a longer one, you can do it, but a basic choli will have this much, okay. So just see to that there is no air pockets, there is no wrinkles. Just brush it up like this and feel the dress form. So you come here to the side, okay, yeah. So this is your side seam. Can you see the side seam here? So take another pin and mark it, pin it here, okay, yeah. So it's very simple. Just mark it under the arm socket like this, okay, make it a pin. Now you can see there is an extra. Why there is an extra? Because it is the allowance for your back bag, okay. So you can just see, so you have to gently pull it, do not pull too much. So whatever the extra that is there, it will fall like this. So neatly align it, okay, crease it up like this, okay, and then put a pin here. So this is your dart. See, a back dart will come, and try and mold it neatly into the dress form so that you don't have any problem. Now this is the marking. So I will start marking it like this, okay, and this is the side seam mark. So roughly you can mark it, okay, and this is going to be a very close neck, okay, close neck basic choli, which is going to be just a round neck to the body, okay. So the shoulder line that is there you can take, so mark it up like this, and the arm side line. First you mark it with a tailor chalk, then once you are sure of it, then you can mark it with your blue pen. Yeah, check where the arm socket ends and then mark it. So this is a basic. Now I will mark it with a pen so that you will know. Okay, and now this is the dart formations. So even the dart formation also I am drawing a line here so that the marking is there, so that you will draw it and then stitch it in the blouse. Okay, can you all see? Yeah, this is the draping of the back. Yeah, so I have made it in a black sketch pen so that it is seen in the video, okay. So you have to do it in a blue sketch pen as I had shown you. This is the blue sketch pen and you have to mark like this. This is the pattern. So now you can just cut it off. So as I told you, do not cut. So you need to mark the seam allowance. So seam allowance you can take here, bottom you can take 2 centimeters. Okay, side also you can take more than 2 centimeters. Later you can trim it. Okay, once you are completely sure that you have marked everything, you know everything, you can remove it from the, okay, mark all the grain line, okay, everything. So this is your thing. Cut one. Okay, and this is on fold. Okay, mark all these things. On fold. Okay, so on fold, grain line, cut one basic choli back. Okay, so once this is done, you can just remove it out of the dress form, and then cut it in the main fabric. So see all of you, this is your basic choli back. Isn't it simple? Yeah, now let's go to the basic front. Okay.